Let's go buy our ticket, guys. Let's do this. We're gonna buy our tickets here. Okay. Waiting. This is the airport limousine that we're gonna take going to the Myeongdong. We're here, guys. So here. On the way.
はお近くのブザーを押すか運転手にお知らせ願います。
So this is where I'm staying. Ari House. And pakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kalapit yung highway. Buses and everything. Tadaan! Highway na yan. So, ayan, guys. Ito yung common kitchen. Very cute lang. Common breakfast area. And everything is free. Complimentary. Ayan. It's so cutesy. So, ayan. Very cutesy lang yung room. Very homey vibe. And so, ayan guys, pabili tayo ng T-Money card that we can use for buses, metro, taxi here in Incheon. Let's go. Oh my gosh, here. Ito na nga yun, Myeongdong Night Market. Street food! Dito tayo magdi-dinner. First stop, fish cake. Odeng. Tteokbokki. Let's eat. Nice. Eto na. Nakita ko na. Ang hilera ng mga street foods in Myeongdong. I found it. Tanghulu. Andiyan na sila. 감사합니다. Ay, mga asyuma pala. Kala ko ano? Puro kain.
좋아 이 분위기가 좋아
Ito na pala ako magko-concert eh.
난 지금 네가 좋아 정말 반했죠 오늘 밤 너와 춤추고
Morning! So for today, photoshoot tayo sa Gyeokbokgung Palace. Tapos chill tayo sa Starfield Library and then Namsan Tower. Chill day lang. Yun lang yung agenda natin today. Let's go! Let's go! On the way to the Hanbok Rental! Nakababa tayo sa tamang destination, guys. The place where we will rent and have the photo shoot. Let's go, guys. So we're here, waiting tayo maayusan. Ayun na sila ate. Picture na sila. Waiting. Tapos na tayo magbihis. We're waiting for the photographer. Kinikilig ako. So the photographer is here. We're gonna walk to the palace and start the photo shoot. See ya! Kinikilig ako. Para ako nasa K-drama, guys. Oh my gosh. So So photo shoot is done. Now we have a free time inside the palace. Let's go. I'm still wearing this pink. Let's go. So, pagoda na tayo. And, kaya pala hindi sila dito nagpo-photoshoot. Sobrang daming tao. See? So, may ibang lugar kami pinuntahan sa loob. Doon kami nag-photoshoot. Back to our regular board clothes. Charot. So, let's go eat lunch and go to Starfield Library. So, bibimbap in my dishes. Go! Let's eat! It's 1 hour away going to Starfield Library. So, chill lang muna tayo. Now in the Seoul Korea Trade Center. We're going to see the Starfield Library. Kinda wanted to have a picture on the Gangnam Hand. Kaya ang daming tao. So, let's go.
One more. 1, 2.
We are here! Starfield Library inside Starfield COEX Mall. Wow! Dito tayo mag-chill for a few minutes. Nakakatawa, may namit tayong mga kabayan. Tinulungan nila tayo mag-picture, mag-videos. Ayan. God bless them. And now the way. Ginabi na tayo, sis. To and Seoul Tower. Let's go. Ayan na siya. Grabe naman, day. Pataas. Hindi ko sure kung tama itong dinadaanan ko. Hey! Alright. Ako ng gabi, guys. Ay, tingnan mo naman yung dinadaanan namin. Hindi ko naman alam na mag-hike kami pala papunta ng tower. Buti na lang may mga kasama. Alam, saan ako napadpad. Pero dito ako nang galing. Ang dilim-dilim. But, it's here. We're near the tower. Let's go. Grabe, hiking pala to mga mams. Ayun yung Seoul Tower. Diyos ko, naka-outfit tayo, tapos nag-hike. Mga kasama ko dito, nagja-jogging. Diba? Adventure. We're here. We're here. We're going to 5th floor for the observation tower. So we're here, guys. Wait, what's the ticket to? We're here, guys. We're waiting. We made it. We're so fresh. So we're waiting to go inside the observatory. Going inside. Wow. And we're here, guys. We're inside the Seoul Tower. We're looking over the whole city of Seoul. So happy. Tapos may nag-picture din sa atin. Yung mga solo travelers din. Diba? I'm so happy. My country, this distance from here. Ayan. So, ayan yung view from the observation deck. Kita niyo yung whole Seoul. Ayan. Ganda. Wala yung Empire State. Charot. Pa pala ako nakapag-Empire State sa gabi. Oh, it's so pretty. Ano ba yan? Ayan. Diba? It's giving. Tapos, di ba bilog to? So, iikot ko kayo. Bilog to eh. Bilog. Let's go. Iikot ko kayo. So, may mga country dyan. Like, your distance nila from here. Oh, sorry. Diba? Hanap na rin tayo dito ng oppa. Charot. Ayan, iikot ko lang kayo. Ikot-ikot lang tayo. See. Ang ganda. So, waiting na lang ako ma-print yung picture. And then, I got it na. Para siyang magnetic plate. Diretso frame na siya. Such a nice souvenir. Uuwi na dapat ako. But look at the toilet view. Oh my gosh. Naiyak. Diba, libs. Hindi ako iihi. It's so cute. Good morning. Now we are going to our tour to Nami Island. And look at the outfit.
So basically, basic information about South Korea, like the whole population of South Korea is 52 million, and 10 million population, they live in Seoul city. So 10 million population, they live in the like small city, so that's why it's quite busy and you can see traffic all the time. So
RM lives here, oh my god.
RM and G, this great flat.
RM, guys, Namjoon. You know which building?
No, I don't know. I just know that one of those.
One of
great
these
places.
lives Namjoon. Oh my gosh, RM. So we came early. 10 pa magbubukas yung Alpaca World. Here, some snacks here. Kain muna siguro tayo. Very light. Freaky! Now we're waiting. Ah, you're there!
이곳은 1번 렌터카 놀이터입니다. 들어오신 길에 도장 찍고 늘어져도 줄을 고맙습니다.
Cute! Na-excite na ako.
Okay, look at me please. I'm here. Look at me please.
Where?
시작 시간 10시 10분이 되었으니까 먼저 인사드리고 시작하겠습니다. 여러분 안녕하세요. 에브리원. 나이스 여러분 반갑습니다. 알파카자 이벤트를 시작하기 전에 몇 가지 주의사항 먼저 말씀드리고 시작하겠습니다. 런닝.
Cute! May isang tumakas, ang cute! Want some coffee? It's like... Ayan. Hike na naman tayo. Hiking day 3. Charot. With my boots. Para lang makapag-walk ng alpaca. Let's go. So, I'm gonna walk the alpaca. Oh my god. Do I made a mistake? Wait, I'm gonna talk to the alpaca. Charot. Let's go, guys.
Okay?
Okay.
Just only here, only go straight.
Go straight
Go
and...
straight, turn around.
Okay.
It's 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
You find the paper, go be careful.
Okay. He's going away.
Umi!
ko. Teka lang, hinila niya ako. Mag-alaga ng pusa, guys. Let's go na. It's just the two of us. Uy! It fell! Uy! Yan. Hello! Bumalik kami agad, guys. Namiss niya na yung mga kapatid niya. Uy, paano ko to papabalikin? Where are the guides? Okay, now we're going to Nami Island. Nami Island. Let's go. Okay, so we're eating dakgal. Hi guys. Now we are going to Nami Island. Sakay tayo ng ferry boat.
Wala siyang pabalik.
10 minutes, yes. Siyempre, sa labas tayo. Ziplining. Doon tayo sa ferry, pakit lang. We're here, guys. Start the tour to Nami Island.
But doing this for grinding rice.
Okay, winter sonata was here. We're gonna take picture here. Ginkgo trees inside the Nami Island. So pretty. Is for winter sonata. Tapos, etong area na to, yung may statue, dun yung first kiss nung bida nung winter sonata. Sobrang tagal na ng movie na nun. 30 years ago. Wow, it's giving. Still on Nami Island. Grabe ang ganda. K-drama feels. So, very K-drama feels. Ganyan lang siya. So pretty peacock. And it's my first time to see white color and brown color. Okay, so our time is up. Next natin is the Garden of the Morning Come. I think mas ma-appreciate mo dito kapag winter o kaya autumn. Like, orange na yung mga dahon, ganyan. But it's really beautiful. Most of the shooting location here is for winter sonata. Our last stop, the Garden of the Morning Come. So, ito yung map. So, syempre hindi na natin lahat pupuntahan yan kasi pagod na tayo. Dito ang target natin. The Korean house and the shooting location of The Love in the Moonlight.
Ito yun, no? Wala ka pa niya. Okay lang ito. Gusto nila yun, nasa bahay lang naman sila.
Ganda, guys. Ayan, we're inside. Kadadaan lang natin dun sa suspension bridge. Tapos, ayan. Ganda din dito. Sabi 1,000 years old na daw tong tree na to. Wow. Parang muka. Parang mukha to.
Walang ganito sa Pinas, eh, no?
Wala.
Ano naman tawag dito?
Ganda.
Parang isang pagitan na, ano.
Maybe because of cold weather. But it's so giving. Ang ganda. So, Korean Pond Garden.
Sige, pwede pa.
So, ngayon, papasok tayo ng Korean house. Let's go. Okay, guys. We're entering Korean house. Ang ganda. Ayan. So, ito yung old Korean traditional house. Actually, pwede kayong pumasok sa loob. Pero magtatanggal kayo ng shoes. And ito lang naman siya. Nothing is inside. Ah. Ganda.
Naharangan kasi ng halaman pala.
That's it. More on traditional houses and Korean gardens lang naman siya. Pero maganda. End of tour. Last day in Korea. Pero bago tayo umuwi, mamimili muna tayo syempre. That's why I bought this. Guys, and they gave me this clover. I love clovers. I feel like my hair is so happy right now. Last day, and kailangan natin mag-train station kasi sarado na yung bus. So, for the buhat si ate girl, diba? Oh,